In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Figma to Webflow seamlessly. This process is straightforward and will allow you to streamline your design and development workflow effectively, making it easier to transition your projects from design to development without hassle. So, let's dive right in. To start, open up your Figma project. You'll want to access the Action menu. You can do this by clicking on the Actions button, located at the bottom of your Figma toolbar. Alternatively, if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, simply press Ctrl+K. This little shortcut can save you some time in navigating through menus. Once the Actions menu is open, you will see a range of options appear on your screen. Next, you'll want to focus on the Plugins and Widgets section. Click on it, and you'll notice a search bar becomes available. In this search bar, type in Webflow. Give it a moment, and you should see a plugin named Figma to Webflow show up in the list of results. This is the tool we need to bridge the gap between Figma and Webflow. Click on the plugin to open up its menu, and you'll see an option to run it. Tap on that, and we're on our way. The plugin will now guide you through a series of instructions. It's important to follow along with these to ensure the integration sets up correctly. As you proceed, you'll come across a step that asks you to connect Figma to Webflow. During this process, you will be prompted to authorize certain Webflow workspaces or sites to sync with your Figma account. This step is crucial as it defines which of your Webflow projects will be available for design updates from Figma. Take your time to review the list of workspaces and sites presented. If you have multiple projects, ensure that you select only those you intend to work on using this integration. Make your selections carefully, then hit the Authorize App button. This action triggers a verification process where Figma will request permission from Webflow, and once authorization is complete, your connection is established. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Figma to Webflow. By linking these two powerful tools, you can now easily transfer your design files into Webflow, allowing for a streamlined design-to-development pipeline. No more manual exports or dealing with cumbersome file formats, just smooth, seamless integration. This setup can drastically improve your efficiency, especially when working on complex projects or collaborating with team members across different platforms. And remember, you can always revisit this setup if you need to connect any additional projects or make adjustments in the future. Thank you for following along, and I hope this helps you in optimizing your workflow between Figma and Webflow. If you have any comments or run into any issues, feel free to drop them in the comments section and we'll be happy to assist. See you in the next tutorial.